Good afternoon, guys. So it's 3 p.m. actually 3:20 p.m. and I'm done with my work because I come early around 5. So well, now I just logged out and right now I'm going to Fitness Time near the King Saud University here in Riyadh, and well, just join me on this commute. So right now it's like 45 degrees Celsius outside, quite dry. A couple weeks back it was sort of a bit humid, and well, right now it's very hot, and if you are outside it would feel like you are a dried leaf. Yeah, that's how this heat of Riyadh makes you, because it's so dry really. So well, just commuting, and we're gonna see how long it takes. As for the maps, it's showing me that I have to cover a distance of 12 kilometer in 15 minutes. That is quite reasonable because at this time there's not much traffic. But if I go to the King Fahd Road Fitness Time branch, so it would take a bit more time over there because King Fahd Road at this time it's also busy. Okay. Right now this area, it's Sharafia. Do you know about this place Sharafia here in Riyadh? It's super hot outside really. Okay. So how is your day going? What were you up to? And by the way, the channel is gaining a lot of traction, mashallah, and a lot of people are seeing this. Almost 50% of our viewership is from Saudi Arabia and 50% from other countries. And when I started this, I wasn't expecting. So guys, we are on our way, and on this Prince Turki Road, I couldn't record a section of our commute because the mobile got overheated. I'm using my mobile to record these. So anyways, we are gonna continue. We are gonna keep up with the momentum that we have. We are gonna keep up the spirits. And well, actually I had to take the phone and keep it in front of this AC. And before I was telling you it's so hot in Riyadh. So we are now commuting on the Prince Turki Road. Right now there's not much rush, as you can see. Let us overtake the slower ones and go the speed limit. You have to maintain a safe braking distance, and from what I heard that you should have at least 3 seconds of reaction time. So let's say you are going close to the next car, so just leave your accelerator for 3 seconds. Now obviously right now we are going down a decline, so this doesn't apply here. But anyways, the thing is that if you feel you are close to another car, just take the accelerator, put your feet off the accelerator for 3-4 seconds, and then you would be able to maintain a fairly significant braking distance between you and the next car. You have to give yourself time for reaction. So I was thinking that it would take me from in between the King Saud University, but the map is taking me from this straight road and then a U-turn in the end. Okay guys, so I couldn't record much because the camera was overheating. Right now I'm going to Fitness Time. This is my stuff that I'm gonna wear later, and then this is my bag. See all my stuff for the gym. It's in this one, and in front of us we have some beautiful views of Riyadh. And now we are going to Fitness Time gym. Here we have the King Saud University on the right, and there we go, Fitness Time red. Wow.